Thought I'd do a quick trade recap of today's session. It was no drawdown actually on this trade. And this trade is based on Fabio's strategy, one of his strategies. It's the trend following one. Okay, so how did I take this trade? So we start today by plotting the current day volume profile. And here is the value area. So in this case, we're interested in the value area high. So around here. Let's zoom in here. Okay, and here's the current day's value area high. So this line. When we were here, it exploded above, and you never take the initiating move, the first move up, because it can be a fake out. You have to wait for two things: low volume node and aggressive participation. And to find the first thing, the low volume node, you plot the volume profile. You can take it from this low to this high. And as you can see, here's one. Now we wait for just aggressive participation. And here's a screenshot of the time and sales at the time. So at 25,025, we got some aggressive buyers, 30 contracts. So around here. So this is where you can enter. The second way to enter this trade, which is what I did, was that I entered on a stop buy right above here. And I'm going to show you why. So if you look at the time and sales at 25,030, we got two big sell participators. Basically here, my bet was that if we trade above this high, then their stop losses are gonna get triggered and market is gonna explode up, which is exactly what happened. Because after we trade above this high, market moved super fast up, and after just 4 candles, I managed to hit my take profit for the day. So we got two ways to take it, and that's the second way. Fabio teaches both ways. If you look at the Chart Fanatics video, he's actually trading the way I did it on this trade. But both are valid. And yeah, the reason I took this type of trade is because risk less of getting faked out. But if there were no aggressive sellers here, I would have taken this buy setup instead. But both works. As you can see, this worked today also. That's all for this trade recap.